I've owned these switches for over a year now, and I've never even typed on them. I opened the packet and was honestly just underwhelmed with the feel, colour, and the entire switch in general. But these little guys might be the hidden gems I've been missing out on. So let's get into it, and see if they deserve a spot on your keyboard. First up, let's talk about the basics. The JWICK Yellow switches are linear switches, known for their smooth keystroke with no tactile bump or click. At first glance, they don't scream innovation or high-end luxury, but there's something to be said about their simplicity. They're straightforward and modest, which can be a refreshing change in the world of flashy and sometimes overcomplicated switches. Now, let's get into what they actually feel like. JWICK Yellows are often described as buttery smooth, and I somewhat agree with that. They definitely don't feel as smooth as premium switches, but they are not as scratchy as super cheap no-brand switches you might get with a starter keyboard. The keystrokes feel consistent and fluid, making them a solid choice for both gaming and typing. They have a gentle bottom out that isn't too harsh on your fingers, which is great if you're planning on long typing sessions. The sound profile is quite quiet, especially when compared to, say, clicky switches. This makes them a good choice if you're working in a shared space or just prefer a quieter typing experience, but they're no silent switch, so it won't be anything like as quiet as some of the other switches I've taken a look at. Now, let's break down the specs and build quality. JWICK Yellows have a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes, which is standard but reassuringly durable. They are a 5-pin switch with a 65-gram spring, which is definitely on the heavier side for switches, and are compatible with any PCB which can take cherry-style switches. The top housings of these switches is made from polycarbonate, which is nice and clear, so great for showing RGB lighting if that's your thing. The bottom housing, on the other hand, is constructed from nylon PA66. This combination ensures durability and contributes to a smooth, consistent keystroke that the JWICK Yellows are known for. As for the stem, it's made from POM, a material known for its low friction and high wear resistance. This helps in maintaining that buttery smooth action over the long haul, even after millions of keystrokes. Another noteworthy aspect of the JWICK Yellow switches is the light factory lube coating they come with. This light coating ensures that each keystroke is smooth right out of the box. For those of you who might be new to the mechanical keyboard world, lubing switches significantly enhances the typing feel by reducing friction and minimising noise. You will of course get a better feel if you lube them yourself, however for this video I'm going to leave them stock to give you an accurate test of what they come like right out of the box. One of the standout aspects of the JWICK Yellows is their price. They come in around $2.20 per 10 switches, which is incredibly budget friendly. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard without breaking the bank. You get reliable performance and decent build quality for a fraction of the price of some more premium switches. So are JWICK Yellow switches the hidden gems of the keyboard world? I think for some people they honestly might be. While they don't have the flashiness or high-end materials of some other switches, they offer smooth, consistent performance at a very affordable price. And if you're looking for a reliable, no-nonsense switch that won't let you down, these are definitely worth considering. Let's do a sound test and actually have a listen to them and see what you think. What do you think? Are these switches the hidden gems, or are there better options out there, and these are just plain dull? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.